Hi, my name is Pamela, and I'm here to present and educate you on the home health care value-based purchasing model program. First, I would like to discuss some of the objectives that we'll be discussing today. And what is a home health value-based purchasing program? What are some of the specific goals? When did it start? And the quality measure contribute the score of the home health agencies and some of our next steps to participate in the model and how can I provide more information to you. Okay, having a little technical difficulties. Okay, on our first slide, I would like to go over what the model is. And the model is designed to give Medicare certified home health agencies incentives to give higher quality and more efficient care. Also, the model will test whether larger incentives for giving better quality care can make a better outcome in the home health care settings. Some of our specific goals that we look at in the home health care setting is to provide incentives for better quality care with greater efficiencies. In the home health care, probably are dealing with we are dealing with a different type of patient and different type of illnesses. So we want to provide better quality care to those patients as well as the patients are in the hospital and receiving other type of uh, care. Study new potentials, qualities, and efficiency measures for the appropriateness in the home health settings, and enhance the current public reporting process. Those are just some of the goals that we look at and we want to apply within our model. So our model began on January 1st in 2016, and it started in 9 states: Arizona, Florida, Iowa, Maryland, Massachusetts, Nebraska, North Carolina, Tennessee, and Washington. And it will conclude on December 31st, 2022. So that's about, what, 6 years? Mhm. Okay. So with this, it may be a little difficult. This is how CMS will calculate a total process score. So what's included in the total process score is a set of outcomes and processes, a set of home health consumer assessment, healthcare providers, and systems. Those are all entailed in the total process score. The model has improved quality scores by 4.6%. Okay. Next steps. Next steps for participating in a home health value-based purchasing model. First, establish your agency's home health value-based program, point of contact. So you establish your point of contact. And we prefer someone who's familiar with the day-to-day operations. Okay? And I have added a couple of links that you can visit websites and receive more information about that. The results in the home health care value-based purchasing model would be patients get greater access to quality care services in the content of their lives. The healthcare organizations also get a financial benefit for positive performance. The organization achieves resilience and grows. In 2022, the agency's plans is to increase the maximum positive and negative payment adjustment to 8%. Now, those are just a few results. If I had more time, we would go over it more. Uh, and that concludes my outline for the home health value-based program model. If you have any other questions, you can reach out to us and we're glad to answer any questions for you. And I just want to thank you for having us today. Thank you.